just out here getting set up for another garage style workout. The person that I'm working with today, it's been a while since she's worked out, so we're going to kind of gauge where she is and kind of set up where we're going to go in the future. I plan to use a lot of body weight exercises and bring out some bands. Stay tuned. Good. You want to make sure you're breathing. We're just going to try 15 seconds for starters. Check it out. Yep, bend your knees, good. Walk out, good. Wait, pause. Okay, now bring it back. Last one, when you go out, we're just gonna hold it there. Okay, so we're gonna hold it into a plank. All right, good. Slow and steady though. Don't try to go fast, come on. Keep moving. There you go, 2, bring it back. All we did was progressively go up 2 pounds. So 8, 10, now 12. Pop it up, that's 2. Good, make sure you're breathing. Bring it up, 3. Keep them on the outside of those shoulders. Okay, you want to really make sure that we're working the shoulders, but keep them close to your shoulders as you go up and as you bring it back down. Yep, good. Nice. Alright, so that's the front part of that muscle. Good, slow down so you control it, make sure you're breathing. Sometimes it helps to just count and that reminds you to breathe. Head. Yep, that's what I want to see. Just like that. Good. Breathe.